Hello and welcome to this channel that is going to hopefully inspire a movement of a revolution. See, I'm not very good at grammar, but I'm Danny and I'm coming from a town near Glastonbury in Somerset, wanting to educate and help the movement of the people at the moment, which I think is definitely moving fast, and it's there, and I'm going to add my bit, and I'm ready to help people in line their energy, rid old paradigms and old ancestral beliefs, old ancestral energy that is blocked within us all, trying to move forward the idea of quantum physics. I think coming to a point of where we all are at, which is bloody confused, basically. Yeah. Well, my first video today is going to be about the word peace and about words in general and how, well, all maths and words are linked, I do believe. I would have written on the whiteboard today, but I can't find a pen. It's not my whiteboard. It's my organised 12-year-old daughter's whiteboard. But that, yes, on the subject of the word peace, words, frequency and numbers. I believe the word peace has brought us so far. It's now out of date. The symbol of peace has helped pieces come together. But the new word that needs to be used completely is unity, isn't it? I think as soon as we move into the word unity, we're going to create pieces that will become whole. I think what words we use are very important. It has been throughout history. Maybe less important these days now the frequencies are changing. I think words used to stick more, but now they are freer words. Freer words, we're trying to find new ways of explaining ourselves. And it's not really a words to explain what is going on right now other than maybe thought patterns. Yeah, but the word peace is an outdated word, and that's how I'm going to stand on that, because I think as well the symbol of peace comes back to quite an old symbol. That symbols are important to our minds and what hits the back of our brain and eye, and it's just outdated, and we need a new symbol. We need the word unity to be used and replaced. Yeah, and we just all need to keep moving forwards, and I feel like my first video is losing it already because there's not enough preparation in my first video. But I hope you can ponder on the fact that all letters, numbers are linked to frequency, to music, to vibration. We're all made of vibration, and the word peace is out of date. Have I already said that? I believe I have, and this is definitely my first video, as you can see. And I hope to create more of a movement than this. Maybe tomorrow. Is 3 minutes enough? Yeah, well, basically, I don't know about a lot of people, but we are moving out of fear as well. We're moving out of fear. Does fear really exist anymore? Are we coming out of... A lot of us are coming out of fear. Come on, I think... Intuition. Listening to intuition. See, that's another video for another time, isn't it? 3 steps for the rest of your day. Think about the word peace. And what the word peace means to you. And how important words are to you. What... Does peace make you feel whole? Aren't we all moving towards the fact that we are not pieces? We are all one, aren't we? Are we all not one? Aren't we in the table and it's all there's no time and space? There's no time and space. So, we're not all Einsteins, but we do have intuition, don't we? And the prickling feelings of whether things are right or not. And well, moving our heads forward to the fact that there is no time and space, only now and observation. The word peace needs changing. I'm going now, and have a good day. Spread love and light, or whatever you need to spread. Farmers need to spread there. Love and Light from near Glastonbury. I'm hoping to offer people, I'm wanting to set up meditation groups for people to receive heart chakra energy from Glastonbury. That is, I believe, the world is alive just like us, and Glastonbury is the heart chakra of the world. I'm wanting to maybe organise meditations up there or here. No, but you know, I'm trying to help people upgrade their energy and connect with being able to release old beliefs from their ancestors, from their systems, from their parents, from their towns. We are definitely stuck in a very old system and things are moving fast. So if you are interested in getting together, the more people you get together for a live meditation or a meditation, you know, they do it in Tibet. We need to do it in the southwest of England, okay? The more people we put together for receiving energy, making changes, changing the word peace, the more of a movement we can make, the more impact we can make. We can make ripples. We can make ripples, can't we? No. But yeah, if you're interested in getting together for a live meditation, I'm going to leave my email address below because that's all I have at the moment. I'm not exactly modern. I'm in-betweener. I'm an in-betweener for the in-betweeners that are trying to, you know, push through their resistances for change, whatever angle we're coming from. You know, I think if you're not into meditation, slowing down, I'm afraid it is the answer. And I've learnt that recently, that we all need to slow down to be able to connect to our divine heads. So I'm going to leave my email address below, and anyone who wants to email me to get together for change, positive changes, then I'm going to leave my email at the bottom, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, let's make movements. Peace.